Hello everyone, welcome to the explanation. So in this video tutorial, this is our 16th video tutorial in computer network, which is error detection technique, that is cyclic redundancy check. Okay, so in this video tutorial we will be discussing about CRC, about the theory portion of CRC, the method, and finally one question that I have solved in this video tutorial. So CRC, what is it? What is the definition of CRC? So CRC is cyclic redundancy check. It is an error detection method, and CRC is based on binary division. So seeing the diagram, or we can say this is a flow diagram. So there are two sides, sender side and receiver side. So in sender side, what happens is we have our data or we have our message. So what we do is we append n bits. Okay, so what is the n bits of zeros? We append n bits of zeros. So this n bit is, okay, if we have divisor, or if we have a, this is our message and this is our divisor. So if our divisor is of n plus 1 bit, so what we do? We do -1. So we append n bits of 0 to this data. Okay, so for example, if we have n bit of divisor, we'll append n minus 1 bits of zeros to data. After that, we'll divide this data by this divisor. Okay, so after that we'll get a remainder. So that remainder is called CRC. Okay, that remainder is called CRC, which is again n bits. So this division is based on binary division. Okay, this is a binary division. So you must know what is binary division. If not, I'll be discussing in the example portion. So this CRC, which we got as remainder, this is called CRC. So after that, the sender sends the data along with the CRC, along with appending the CRC. So replacing this n bits of zeros that we appended in data initially, we'll replace these zeros with the CRC that we obtained. So you can see if it is n bit, it is also of n bit. Okay, or if it is n minus 1 bit, it is also of n minus 1 bit. Fine. So data plus CRC, it is sent to receiver. So receiver will receive the data plus the CRC that is appended. Again it gets divided, okay, by the divisor, so it will get a remainder. So in case of receiver, okay, inside of receiver, the remainder, if the remainder is 0, it will be accepted. It means there is no error. If it is not 0, if any of the bit is not 0, so it is rejected. It means that the data is corrupted. Okay, so in this way the error is detected using CRC. Fine. So we'll see the steps, and after that we'll see a numerical. So you can see here it's given if the message bit is there, so it is denoted by m. Okay, after that there is a generator polynomial which is used to divide this message bit. So both this message bit and generator polynomial, both of these are given in question. So at sender side what happens? So I am just repeating this diagram only. Okay, so at sender sides what happens? It will append n minus 1 zeros to the message bit. Okay, so in first case we'll append n minus 1 zeros to the message bit, where n is the number of bit of generator polynomial. Okay, so it is nothing but divisor. After that we'll perform a binary division by dividing m by z. Okay, after that, after division, the remainder obtained is called CRC. Okay, so CRC also consists of n bit only. So after doing this at sender side, we'll append the CRC to the message bit. Okay, we'll append CRC to the message by replacing the zeros appended at step 1. Okay, so whatever zeros, whatever number of zeros we appended at step 1, what we'll do, we'll replace it by a CRC that we obtained as remainder. The newly formed code word, that is message plus CRC. So this message plus CRC together they are called here the data plus CRC, or a message plus CRC. That this together they are called code word. So the newly formed code word is transmitted to the receiver. Fine. So what happens at receiver side? The transmitted code word is received. The received code word is again divided with the same CRC generator. Okay. So it is again divided by the same generator, we can say. Okay, this generator which we got in question, generator polynomial, will divide it by same generator. So on division, the remainder obtained should be 0. Okay, so the remainder should be checked. Fine. So we can see here there may be two cases. In case 1, if the remainder is 0, so it means that there is no error. So the data is accepted. In case the remainder is not 0, it means any of the bit is 1. So in that case, the data is rejected and we will ask the sender to retransmit the data. Fine. So let's see this question. Okay, so this is a question based on CRC. So we can see here, the question is a bit stream 100,100 is transmitted using standard CRC method. Okay, the generator polynomial is x cube plus x square plus 1. What is the actual bit string transmitted? Also check whether the data is accepted or not. Fine, so we have to perform all the operations from sender to receiver. So you can see in this case the message is 100,100. The generator polynomial is x cube plus x square plus 1. So you have to convert this into binary. So how to convert? So if the term is like it is a polynomial, so it should be x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So you can see here x is missing, so the coefficient of that x will be 0. And whoever are present, the coefficient will be 1. So 1 into x cube plus 1 into x square plus 0 into x plus 1. So we can ignore this variable part and only the constant portion is written. So it is 1101. So this is n bit. Fine. So the first step was we have to append n-1 zeros to original message. Okay, so it is n bit. So n means it is 4 bit. So we'll append n-1, that is 3 zeros to the message. So this is our message 100,100. We'll append 3 zeros from right side to the message. First step. After that we'll go to sender side. Okay, so you can see in sender side we have divided, this is our message. After appending 3 zeros, we are dividing it by generator polynomial, which was 1101. So we are doing XOR operation. So you should know what is XOR operation. In XOR operation, if there are similar bits 1 1, the answer is 0. If there is dissimilar bit, the answer is 1. So you can see 110, 011, 000, 110. Okay, so in this way it is divided. If it is 1, so it is 1101. So again the remainder is coming. So again by 1, again by 1. So it has been divided 1111 4 times. Okay, so again if we'll divide this by either 0 or 1, we'll get same answer. We'll get same remainder repeatedly. That's why we come to know this is the remainder. So now what we'll do? What was our remainder polynomial? What was our appending number of zeros? It was 3. Okay, it was n-1, that is 3. That's why we'll take 3 bits from right side, that is 001. Okay, how it is taken? The number of appending zeros are n-1, that is 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. That's why we are taking 3 bits from right side. So it is 001. So our CRC bit is 001. Now the transmitted bit that sender is transmitting to the receiver, it will be original message plus the CRC bit. So original message what? 100,100,000 plus 001. So in other way, we are replacing that 3 zeros that we appended with our CRC bit. So now this is called our code word. Message plus CRC bit, that is called code word. Finally, this code word is transmitted to receiver. So you can see here again we are dividing this code word with our generator polynomial. So same way we are doing binary division till the point we are getting a repeated remainder. We'll do the division. Okay, so at the end you can see the remainder is 0000. So the data is accepted. It means that there is no error. Okay, so this is the case of a CRC numerical. So if you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. Also, if you want me to make another video tutorial on CRC numerical, just comment in the YouTube video tutorial and I'll make another video on CRC numerical. And if you want the note for this particular portion or this particular video, so you can comment me. Okay, so till then stay safe and like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.